Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can remove your card detail from your iPhone. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on settings of your iPhone, and after you open the setting, at the top it's going to show you your iPhone's name. So mine is Jake, so I will click on that. You also click on your iPhone's name. From over here you can see the option called payment and shipping. Click on payment and shipping, and then it's going to verify your Face ID in order to make you log in into this section for a security reason. So enter your iPhone's password or just face verify yourself. Now once you face verify yourself, it's going to take you to this page. Now from over here, you want to click on where it says manage payments. Now from inside manage payments, it's going to show you all the payment method which you have added on your phone. For this, I'm going to remove my MasterCard, so I will click on my MasterCard. Once I click on my MasterCard, at the end you can see the remove payment method option in red. So if I click on that, then my card will be removed from my iPhone. And that is how you guys can remove payment method from your iPhone. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. One step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.